So please focus on the session, as the session is going to be totally focused on you. Okay, so we want to listen from you, we want to understand you more, so that we will give you the best guidance to you all. Okay, great, awesome. So, but before we start, there's an so we have our Akansha Didi here. Wow, awesome. Thank you so much, Didi. Even though it's Sunday, she attends our sessions every time. Great. Thank you so much. And today we don't have Ahmad Bhaiya because he's very tired. And from the last 1 week, he has been attending meetings. So he couldn't able to attend the meetings. But we have one very special guest with us. Her name is Jhansi. I call her Anitaka, and she's like very much experienced in all the multinational corporations, and almost she has experience of 9 years. She worked in Amazon, Wells Fargo and all, and she'll be helping you in one of the breakout rooms. Okay, yeah. And this session is not going to be a session where we will be talking. It's going to be a session where we will hear your thoughts. Okay, yes. So without any further delay, let me directly enter into the session. But before that, I want to listen. I want to read how you are feeling. Everyone start texting in the chat box. How are you feeling? Are you excited, happy? And by the way, how is my background? See, there is one apple tree and all. It's not a true apple.
Everyone का option डालिए.
Yeah, everyone. Yeah, I want all of you to text. Yeah, excited. I see excited. Okay. Everyone option is there, no?
No.
Acha, now? Now. Yes, great. Now you can text everyone. Awesome. Super excited. Great. Okay, excited. Awesome. Very happy. I am also very happy because from the past 4 sessions, we have been teaching, right? But we are not listening to you. But this time I thought, let's listen from students itself, because student voice is powerful, right? And yeah, my background is cool. Thank you so much. I know. Great. So without any further delay, let me start today's session. It's session 5, guys. It's session 5. The 5th session that we are having right now. Wow. Thank you so much for helping us to conduct all these sessions. We completed almost 4 sessions. So the 5th session that we are entering into right now, we titled it as Discuss to Discover. So this title itself talks about what we are going to do, right? So we are going to discuss a lot, and we are going to discover something. Okay, what are we going to discover? What are we going to get to know about is you will understand within few minutes. Okay, before we enter into breakout rooms, before we actually start this session, I want to give you few things. I want to tell you few things which I want you to remember. Okay, which I want you to remember. These things that you are about to see on the screen, I want you to keep them in your mind. Okay, these are not norms. These are not norms. Can somebody guess what is this? In breakout rooms, you have to follow these things.
Listening.
Perfect. It's listening carefully. Okay, you can text in the chat box also. What is this?
They're doing it, huh?
What is this?
Listening. Or understand.
Perfect. Understanding or focused. Wow, awesome. You guys are intelligent. What is this?
Thinking.
Yes, you need to think. You need to
Thinking hard.
Thinking hard. What about this?
Thinking intelligent.
The last one. What's the last one?
Speaking.
Speaking, right? Whenever Didi or Bhaiya asks you to speak, whenever we ask you to share, we want to listen from you. So don't be idle. Okay, even if you don't know what to share, even if you don't feel like sharing, just say I'll share later. Okay, but please do share, because unless and until you share, it's totally, won't be that useful for you. Okay, great. So what are the few norms that you need to follow? The first one is you need to respect others' opinion. You need to respect others' opinion. For example, if someone gives an answer, someone shares their opinion, you should not laugh or you should not text something in the chat box that hurts them. Okay. And before you speak, you should raise hand. Okay. Raising hand should be a mandatory thing. And third one is, if you don't understand something, what is happening, for example, if you don't understand what Didi is asking you, what she's sharing, you can ask for the clarification. Okay, don't be confused and don't think like, Arey, what will others think? Arey, Didi will think that I am not intelligent. Arey, everyone might have understood. It's me alone who has not understood. No. Nahi chalta. Okay, ask for the clarification. Didi, I didn't understand this. Can you explain once again? Didi, I want you to please repeat this for me again. Okay? Yes. So now you know, right? These are the norms that you want to follow, and these are the things that you want to remember and keep in your brain. Okay. So this session is going to be very crisp. Crisp matlab very very fast. We are going to end this session very fast at the same time. Okay. Let me put all of you in breakout rooms. Great. Just wait for 30 seconds. But before that, start texting in the chat box, like, what do you think you're going to do in the breakout rooms? I mean, how the breakout rooms might look like. Can you guess? Can you all guess? Please mute yourself, everyone. Yeah. I'm opening this breakout rooms by assigning all of you. Don't think like, when you enter into breakout rooms, don't think like, Arey, my friend is not here. Arey, don't think like that. Okay. We all are friends and we all are going to share to each other. Okay. Great. So there are 27 students in the call. So I'm going to divide it into half. Don't ask me what is that half, because I'm very poor at math. Many of you know that. Just hold on. Great. So I have divided. Great. Let me assign others also now. Guys, keep texting in the chat box. What do you think the session is going to be? I mean, just guess at least. Don't unmute and speak because we have to enter into breakout rooms. Great. So you will be getting a notification to enter into breakout rooms. I request all of you to please enter into breakout rooms quickly. Yeah, you'll be getting a great. Awesome. So we have like, yeah, great. So we have, I mean, majority of you are in breakout room 3. Yeah. Great. So guys, yeah, great. So there are almost, Akansha, can you enter into breakout room? I'll be joining them, but till then, just for 10 seconds. Akansha, you there? Allu Arjun. Who is that Allu Arjun? Yeah. Hi guys. Good morning. So now I'll be helping you in the breakout rooms. Okay. So wow, I got some bright and amazing kids. Awesome. Guys, just give me 10 seconds. I'll go to the another breakout room and I'll give some instructions and I'll come back. Okay. Is that fine? Can somebody give me a thumbs up?
Yes. Fine.
Very good, very good. I request Masia, Mevesh, all of you to just be, you can text in the chat box till then. Okay. Yes.
So I will also deal with students. I'm also a teacher. Okay.
Yes, Akka, just few instructions, Akka. Guys,
Yeah.
majority of you in this breakout room are Telugu speaking. So Didi speaks Telugu and she also speaks Hindi and English also. So feel free to ask anything. She is much talented than me. She has bada dimag. So ask as many questions and make the best use of her. Okay, great. Your friends are doing amazing there. So you need to rock here. Yes, guys, I am back here, back to the palace. Yes, so I'll be sharing. Yeah, I only here. So I'll be sharing few case studies with you. Okay, what we are going to do is in the next 25 minutes, I'm going to share some case studies with you. Case studies मतलब थोड़े scenarios आपको देता हूँ, थोड़े situations आपको देता हूँ. You have to relate it to yourself and you have to think. You have to be in that position and then think. Okay. Yes, I want all of you to share. When I show you few questions, I want all of you to share. It's your opinion. Okay. They don't have to be exactly correct and they don't have to be exactly perfect answers. Okay, these are just your opinions. Awesome. So the first case study is, we are talking about negligent Tom. Okay, who is this negligent Tom about? I mean, who is he and what's something about him? Can somebody unmute themselves and read? Who wants to read? Raise your hand.
I want to read. Can I?
Yes, Sabha will read. I'll give chance to everyone. Don't worry. Yeah. Go ahead, Sabha.
Tom was very playful and happy outside the school. He never completed homework or assignments by giving reasons always. He thought studying and learning good things is not important than his games and friends. His friends always discouraged studying and disobeying
Disobedient.
parents.
Disobedient.
He is now working as a
Mechanic.
mechanic in TV showroom.
Yes. So now all of you have understood the scenario, right? There is a boy named Tom and he's very playful and happy outside the school, which means he's not happy inside the school. And he never completed his homeworks and assignments, matlab exams, because he always gives reason. Didi, bhaiya, I have this in my home, that, all these things. He thought studying and learning good thing is not important. Like many of your friends in the class tell you, right? Studying is useless. Bolke always talk to friends and start playing games, right? So his friends always discouraged him. They don't want him to study, and he is also disobedient. Disobedient matlab he won't listen to his parents when they tell him to study carefully. Please, this is very important for your life. Okay, and now he is working as a mechanic in TVS showroom. Okay, so this is the scenario. This is the case study. Now you all understood, right? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood, or text in the chat box if you have understood. Okay, fine. Majority of you. Azmat, have you understood? Nazia? Yes. So yeah, Manoj, we are going to look at the different case studies. Okay. So we are looking at one particular student named Tom. When he was a student, he never completed homework. He don't like studying. He doesn't like studying, and he's always interested in friends, and his friends always discourage him, and he won't listen to parents. Now after his schooling, now he is working as a mechanic in TVS showroom. So that is a case study. Okay, that's a scenario. Okay, now you understood, Manoj? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, awesome. So I'm going to give you a few questions. Okay, I want you to think on these questions. The first one is, do you think Tom is happy now? See, I want you to listen carefully and think, and then answer. I'm going to ask you one by one. Okay. Everyone will get a chance to answer to only one question. Okay, one question. So as you are thinking about Tom, also think about those friends of yours in the class. And for example, if you are Tom, if your life is like Tom, also think about it. Okay, do you like becoming a mechanic after few years? Think about it. So do you think Tom is happy now, and do you think Tom did right things when he was a student? What would you suggest to Tom to change when he was a student? Okay, yes, I'm going to give you 30 seconds time. I'm going to give you 30 seconds time. Think and prepare with your answers. Think and prepare with your answers quickly. Tasmia, awesome, Tasmia. But I request you to share in the last group, not now. Okay, not now. I'll ask you to unmute and then you can share. Thank you so much, Tasmia, for being proactive. Yeah. So I'm going to ask one by one. Okay. Let me ask Mehraj. She's raising her hand. Yes, Mehraj, unmute yourself. Answer any one of these questions. I can give you answer the first question. Do you think Tom is happy now? Why? Also give me the reason why.
I think no, because no one will be happy doing a mechanical job.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Mehraj, for answering so bravely. Sadia Begum, can you please unmute yourself and answer me for the second question? Sadia Begum, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, guys. I want to listen from all of you. Okay, let's listen from Asia Sultana. Yes, Asia, please unmute yourself.
Sir, Tom did not do right thing because because he is student, so did not do mechanic things and all.
Yeah, so he did not study, right, when he was a student.
He wants to study in that time.
Okay, he would have studied in that time. Great. Let's listen from Tasmia from the last question to get the answer for the last question.
So I think I would suggest Tom that if he would give focus and more time to studies, he would not be a mechanical engineer. Mechanic.
Wow, claps to Tasmia. Great, great. So Tasmia, can you be specific in suggesting Tom? What change he would have made? Very specific.
He could give only time to studies and listen to classes.
Okay.
And listen to their parents.
Okay.
Parents.
Great, fantastic. And there is one more point that that he has to forget. He has to, start distancing from. What is that?
Games.
Games. Very good, Tashmiya. Games and friends at the same time. Great, awesome. So you might have seen negligent Tom in your classroom, right? It might be your brother, it might be your friend, it might be, any of your neighbor or relative, right? So we are giving these different scenarios because we want you to be the person to guide them. If you are not Tom, if you are Tom, we want you to change. Okay, yes. Now let's look at another scenario. Who will read this?
Bhaiya, I will.
Who is that?
Manoj.
Manoj. Go ahead, Manoj. Awesome.
हाँ भैया. Sham was a good boy, always joyful and helping others.
Start from the title.
Irregular Sham.
Perfect.
Irregular Sham. Sham was a good boy, always joyful and helping others, kind kids, but he was very irregular to school. He thought there is a lot of to do outside than sit in the classroom. His friends helped him by completing his classwork. Since he was studying from his friends, he used to pass exams. His parents wanted him to study more, but he was always busy outside the school. Sometimes with games, sometimes with the relatives. He is no cab driver.
See, so this irregular Sham, he was a good boy. He was always joyful and helping other kids. But one thing that he's not doing right is he is a irregular kid. He is irregular to the school, right? Guys, so Manoj, can you also explain this case study to everyone?
हाँ भैया.
Yeah.
He was a joyful and he was a good boy, but he coming to school late.
Okay.
And he not able to listen classes. He not able to completing notes, and he not able to writing exams own.
Very good. Very good. Awesome. So he used to copy
So
and
friends are helping him.
yeah, friends are helping him, right? So now yes. Do you think Sham is happy now? I want Sadia Begum to unmute and answer for the first question. Sadia Begum, will that be possible for you to answer for the first question? Faizan, can you answer for the first question? Two participants raised their hands. Nazia?
Bhaiya, I can't hear you.
Yes. So I was asking you, I was asking Sadia or Faizan to unmute and ask and start answering the first question. Okay, fine. Whoever wants to answer, unmute yourself and answer. Quickly. Guys, I request all of you to please join the breakout rooms, kada? Pujit, Chandu, and someone named Pikachu. Okay, please start joining, into breakout rooms. You have got invitation, right? Chandu, please join the breakout rooms. Chandu, Pujit. Chandu, go to breakout rooms quickly. Yeah. Move into your breakout rooms. Great. So were you answering these questions? Do you think Sham was happy now? Did anyone answer this question? Yes or no?
I will answer Bhaiya.
Hold on, Manoj. Let's listen from others also. I'll give you a chance. Okay. Sabha, can you please answer the first question quickly?
Do you think Sham is happy now?
Yes. I want you to answer for that question. Sabha, not our seventh Sabha, ninth Sabha. Acha, she's not there. Nazia, can you answer? Azmat or Kabira? Can you please unmute yourself and start answering? Yes, Kabira, very good.
I think Bhaiya he's not happy because it's now his cab driver.
Yeah, okay. Can someone answer for the second question? Do you think Sham did right things when he was a student? Anyone? Manoj, you can answer now. Unmute yourself.
Bhaiya. He was not happy because he will come to regularly in the school. He will happy now. He was a good student now. He will
Okay.
study, come to school early.
Okay.
So that's
I mean, do you think he did the right things by copying from the friends and all?
no.
No, right? So he didn't do the right things. Okay, Mehraj, unmute yourself and answer for the last question.
I will suggest Sham to concentrate that in the education more and
Okay.
come regular to school.
Come regular to school. Yeah. Whenever somebody is suggesting, I request you to please be very specific. Okay. For Sham, it is to be regular, right? Great. So let's look at Dramebaz Dora. Okay. Someone said yes. Mehvish, can you please unmute yourself and read this? Is Asya Mehvish here? Acha, someone asked, right? I want to read. Who is that? You can unmute and yes. Hold on. Mehraj, unmute yourself.
Dora was Dramebaz Dora. Dora was obedient student, always first in the class, and she is a teacher's choice for all activities because she has good name among teachers. She was also good in studies but never serious about getting maximum marks, as she thought being good with teachers is enough. Her parents never thought she could achieve more if she was sincere in all her efforts. She is still searching for a job.
Great. So, see, so there is one student called Dora. She is obedient. She's like always first in the class. First in the class, not in the marks, but being very active and all these things. She's a teacher's choice. Matlab, if teacher wants to give any opportunity, any activity, she will first call Dora, like that. She always wants to please people. Okay, I want to make a teacher. I want to get good appreciation from teacher, from parents. But she never studied seriously and she never aimed for maximum marks. Okay, but what happened to her? She is still searching for a job. Okay, now I want others to answer. Faizan and anyone can unmute. Pujit, yeah, can you please unmute yourself and ask me and tell me, do you think Dora is happy now? She's still searching for a job, and do you think she's happy now?
No,
Why? Why she's
I
not
came now only. I don't know anything.
happy? No, you listen to the story, Mama. So you listen to the case study, right? Dora case study.
నువ్వు అన్న అన్న
Yes, Pujita. So yeah, as she said, as Pujita shared, Dora is not happy. Okay. Do you think Dora did right things when she was a student? It's not he, it's she. Can someone unmute yourself? Azmat, do you want to speak? Okay. Let's listen from Asia Sultana. Asia, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Do you think Dora is happy now?
No, second one. Second one.
Second one. Do you think Dora did right thing when he was student? Mm, yes.
Yes.
No.
Why yes, why no?
चलो मैं उधर नहीं समझ में
So Dora is such a girl who always wants to please. Okay, she doesn't want to study, but she wants to be appreciated. She only wants to get appreciation. Okay, she wants Bhaiya to say, "Wow, you did a good job." Wow, something like that. But she never focused. Okay, she never aimed for the maximum marks. Okay, let's listen from Kabira for the last one. Kabira, can you answer for the last question? What do you suggest Dora to change when she was a student?
भैया मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया
हाँ, तो I'll repeat once again, don't worry. So Dora is one student who is never serious about 90%. Okay, she is only happy with 60% marks. Okay, because she wants to make everyone, she wants to go with friends, she wants to do all the activities, and she wants to do everything, but don't want to get maximum marks. Okay, she was never focused, she was never serious about her career, even though she's a bright student. Okay, so now I asked you, what do you suggest to Dora to change when she was a student? What do you tell Dora to change? Anyone wants to take a shot? It's okay, even there's no right or wrong. Okay. Anyone? Kabira, you're on mute. Unmute yourself. You're on mute, Kabira. Unmute yourself.
भैया can I?
Yes, yes, Mehra. There was someone. Yeah, whoever.
भैया I suggest that to Dora with 100% marks, not 60% marks, and he don't have to appreciation because if 60% अच्छा नहीं रहता वैसा 100% से ऐसा रहना.
Great, awesome, very good.
She not have interest to study.
Yes, yes, very good, Manoj. Thank you so much, Asya, Manoj.
Yes.
So we have two more case studies. We have case 5, 4, and 5. That's it. And then we are going to end. So this fourth case study is Copycat Madhav. Okay, who will read this? Not those who already read, others.
Can I, sir?
Yes, yes, Asya, go ahead.
Copycat Madhav. Madhav was never attentive in the class, playing in the back bench and teasing friends. He has two good friends who used to give their notebooks so that he can complete the work before checking. His friends also helped him during exams. He was active in sports but not serious about achieving something. He was always careless about studies or his life. His parents were not able to send him to tuition, so he did not complete his studies. He is now a helper in a bakery.
He is now a helper in the bakery. Great. Now, so Madhav, he is not attentive. He sits in the last bench, and he always teases friends, and he always makes fun of his friends. And he has two good friends who used to give their notebooks. Okay, like when teacher says tomorrow I'm going to check your notes, so before night only he'll start writing the notes. Okay, and his friends always help him in the examination. Okay, matlab copying. Okay, his parents were not able to send him to tuition, so he did not complete his studies. Now he is a helper in the bakery. He was very much careless about studies or his life. Now, do you think Madhav is happy now working as a helper in a bakery?
No,
Why no?
because he have not studying, and in that they don't care. No, bakery.
Yeah, in bakery you feel like they will like treat you as valueless, right?
Yeah,
If you
that's
are a
all.
helper. True. For the second question, who will answer me for the second question? Mehraj, unmute yourself.
No,
No, I think no, because he was a student, he can do many things, achievement, but he didn't thought that, and he became so careless about that.
Very good. True. Tasmia, can you please unmute yourself and share for the last question?
While he was a student, he should not copy from his friends, and he would be, if he would be more focused and independent, he would achieve more things.
Great. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Tasmia. So the last one. This will be the last one. Okay. So who will read this last one?
can I?
No. Can someone who did not read last time? Azmat, Faizan, Pujita. Do you want to read? Pikachu. Yeah, Tasmia. Go ahead. Unmute yourself and start reading.
Sahiti was focused. Sahiti was not a clever but always obedient and studied hard to get good marks. Though she was weak in maths, helped Sahiti by taking extra classes since she wanted to learn. She got good marks in 10th class, which helped her to get scholarship to study in a good college. Her hard work and seriousness about studies helped her to get a good job. She is now working in a company and willing to help poor kids.
Great. Fantastic. So now we are looking at a student who is Sahiti, right? Her name is Sahiti. She was not that clever, but she was obedient and hardworking. She always wanted 90 marks, 100 marks. She was so much focused, and she always took extra efforts, even though she doesn't know how to solve problems in math, but she always worked hard, and she was serious about her education. Finally, she got good marks in 10th class, which helped her to get good scholarship, through which she was able to get a good job as well. Okay. Now she's working in a company, like top company, Google. Okay. And now she's willing to help poor kids also. Now tell me, do you think focused Sahiti is happy now? Do you think she's happy now? I want to listen from Pujita or Sabah Fatima or Nazia Faizan. Anyone, you can unmute yourself and you can share. Azmat, if no one is sharing, Kabira will share. Do you think she is happy now, Kabira? If yes, explain. If not, explain.
I think he is not happy.
Why she's not happy? Yes, Mehraj, unmute yourself.
I think she is happy now because her future is bright now. She is working in a company with a good job. I think the salary will also a good.
Yeah. So
Matlab,
this,
he is settled now.
yeah, she's settled now, right? So her job is set, her career is set. She's working in a top company, right? So you have seen 5 different scenarios, right? So you might have seen these 5 different students in your classroom also, right? So we will talk more about it. See, no one wants to be copycat Madhav, right? No one wants to be a Dramebaz Dora, right? So you all want to be focused Sahiti, right? So for you to become like focused Sahiti, we will help you. Okay, we will help you, and what it requires to be a focused Sahiti is what we are going to share with you in this project Disha. Okay, within 1 minute we are going back to our main room, and then we are going to discuss with the large group. Okay, but till then, I want anyone wants to share anything, like what are you understanding through this? Just keep sharing within you. I will go to breakout room and then I'll come back. As you have seen 5 different cases, what are you understanding? Mehraj will speak first, and then Manoj, and then anyone can speak. I am going to breakout room and I'll come back. Till then, you guys keep sharing.
Why?
As the amount of salary that a big for a well-educated person gets is not the salary where we help in bakery person.
Right. So Madhav chesna first important mistake enti.
English akka.
Careless about studies.
Yes, he was very much careless about studies. He was good with his friends, but just being good with his friends is enough. Should you not be also good in studies? Chadukodam kuda call kada? Yes. So what happened eventually? Ante he was not good in maybe maths or maybe in some tough subjects, and unfortunately his parents were not able to send him to tuitions. We all know, like kontamandi friends ka ala untadi kada situation. So he should have given more importance to study and also give importance to those tough subjects so that he will not be what he is right now. Kada?
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me 2 things that he could have corrected. Madhav em chesinde bagundedi when he was a student.
Importance to studies.
Importance to studies.
Teaching friends. Also be truth to her good with the teachers. And he should be care on his life. Be truthful.
I'm really sorry, I couldn't hear you properly. Malla cheppocha?
Yeah, guys, I request others also to speak, not just those who are already speaking. I request Sadia Khatun, Divya, and Yasmin, others to speak. Okay, Akka, you have only 3 minutes, so go to the next case and wrap this up. Yeah, guys, whenever you see a notification like going back to main room, click on it. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, last one.
Guys, are you done sharing?
Hey, bhaiya, koi bolish na kuch bhi.
Yeah. Unmute and start sharing. Yes, Mehraj. Yes, unmute.
So I was saying that there are 5 students now. So the 4 students are careless and didn't think about their futures, and one student which care the future and think about the bright future in their lives. So I was saying that whoever thinks for the future and whoever focus on a good things will always be in a high position.
Guys, I don't know why you have not joined the Hi Vaishali. Like you entered very late. Like we are done with all the case studies and all. We are almost at the end of the session. Okay.
Hi, Bayam.
Yeah. Hi. We will wait for others also till everyone comes back, and then I'll share. Yes. Is everyone back, Akka?
Yes.
Great.
Yes, we are back.
Yes, awesome. Guys, 10, 9, yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. All of you are back. Awesome.
We are back.
Yeah. Guys, okay, I want to listen from two students. Like, how did you feel? Like, this is something new, right? That we did in Project Disha. How did you feel about this? Can somebody unmute and share? Yes, Yasmin.
Happy and excited.
Yes, Pooja. Others can text in the chat box. Yes,
Yes,
Pooja.
Bhaiya. I met Jansi Akka. That was a good thing. I had a good experience with her. Also, coming to the case studies, I had a very new and excited studies and learned a lot how to behave in the class and what are the jobs and what are the which place do we stay if we are not studying, or what respect do we get if we are not in a good position. That's it.
Great, awesome. Can I listen from yes, Ankita, you want to share?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes, go ahead.
So I felt very happy to meet Jansi Akka. She explained us very nicely, and it is about if we not study or if we do different things in school, this what will happen end of the day. So you should be focused in your studies that we reach to high level.
Very good, awesome. One more response, one last response.
Simran.
Quickly, who wants to share? Who wants to be that brave soul?
Simran.
Yes.
Yes, Simran.
It was a wonderful experience for me. I learned how to give importance to studies, and it was a wonderful experience for me, and it is a memorable for me, and it gave me good lesson, and that's it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Ma. So I'm going to end this within 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Till then, I want you to please stay focused, right? If you can't stay focused within, for the next 10 to 15 minutes, do you think you can stay focused for the rest of your life? So please stay back. Okay. Don't suddenly leave the call. Okay. Great. So now I have a question before I start sharing something. Who is your favorite student in all the case studies? Quickly enter into the chat box. Case 5. Who is that student? Is that focused Sahiti or Jamebaz Dora? Or
Sahiti.
Yeah, Sahiti. Right. Yes. Why Sahiti? I want to listen from others who has not shared. Yes, Manoj, you want to share why?
She focused in studies and she want to learn something new.
Yes, awesome. Others, can somebody want to share? Yasmin, you want to share? Sayeda Yasmin, you want to share?
Yeah, Sahiti was giving importance to studies and also is enjoying her life. And she is not clever, but she was thinking about her future first.
Great, awesome. We'll listen from Srija also. Srija is also raising her hand.
Sahiti, because Sahiti is very not clever, but she's clever in her goals.
Very good, awesome.
She always.
Great. Thank you so much, Ma. For the time being, I'm not listening from others. So now you all want to become focused Sahiti, right? I want to become focused Ishmael. Why? Because I want to be in a good position. But now we are going to look at what does it take for you? I mean, what you have to do, kya karna chahiye, so that you will reach to that level. You will become like focused Sahiti. The first thing that you want to do is identifying your passion. You need to identify what your passion is. I'm going to explain everything one by one and then setting a goal.
Try to reach it.
Yeah, try to reach it. Thank you so much. So just keep listening to whatever I'm sharing with you. So the first one is identifying your passion. The second one is setting a goal. And the third one is evaluating a goal. What is that evaluation and all? And I'll share about it next. The last one is sticking to that goal. Sticking to that goal, matlab doing whatever it takes to make that goal happen. Okay, let's look at this, identifying your passion. What is passion? Passion is something that that you love to do. Passion is something that makes you happy when you are doing it. For example, for me, passion is teaching. I am passionate about talking. Some people, passion can be playing football, playing cricket, becoming an IAS officer, helping people. For some students, it can be police officer, can be your passion to become a police officer, right? So what is your passion? You need to identify your passion, right? You should not go with the crowd. You should not go like, my brother has taken BTech, I will become engineer. No. Someone has did doctor, I want to become doctor. No. I want to become this. The reason is this. You should be clear with what and why. Understood clearly? I want to listen 2 responses. Can someone?
What battle again?
I want to listen from you. Have you understood this passion? Has anyone discovered their passion?
Yes.
Yes. Can someone share their passion? What are they more passionate about? Two responses. Anyone? You can also share in the chat box. I want to become IPS officer. Great. Awesome. Very good. Sadhya is very bold. Others? Durga Prasad. Anyone? Yes, Rija. Rija, unmute yourself. Yep. Ankita is passionate about helping others. So for you to become, that passionate person, to fulfill your passion, you have to have a goal. You have to set a goal, right? So in the next 2 years, this is what I'm going to do. Goal is not only becoming an IAS officer. Goal should be, what am I going to do after 10th class? What am I going to do this year, this month, this week, today? You should have everyday goals. You should have weekly goals, monthly and yearly. Right? All your bhaiyas and didis in your schools, you have goals, right? Yes. So you need to set goals. Unless and until you set goals, see, if you look at that picture in front of you, the person who is holding that archery, that arrow, they have a goal to, throw that arrow at that particular mark, yellow color mark, right? So if you start working, if you start studying without goal, if you start working on passion without goal, it is like you entered into the bus stand and you don't know where to go, right? So you should set a goal for yourself. What should I do? Okay. And the third one is evaluate that goal. If you evaluate, matlab checking that goal. For example, right now I want to become Vijay Devarakonda. That is my goal. But do you think I can become Vijay Devarakonda? No, right? That is not possible. Why that is not possible? Because I should understand what are my strengths. Yeah, that is not my passion. I should understand my strengths, and I should evaluate. I should check. For example, I cannot say I want to be good. It should be specific, right? I want to be a doctor and I want to be good, and it should be measurable. It should not be like one day I will become doctor. When will you become doctor, bhai? You should have next 10 years. In the next 10 years, I will become a doctor. And it should be achievable. If my goal is like to become Vijay Devarakonda, do you think I can achieve?
No.
And I should also think about the time that I have. For example, if I have only 5 years to settle, many of you have only 5 to 7 years to settle down. After that, your parents may help you or may not help you. their age also will be like, they also will start becoming older and older, right? And you might be having less time, and it should be relevant. Relevant matlab, some few people have done engineering, and they might be doing another job, right? Zomato boy, Swiggy boy. No, it should be relevant, right? But remember, at all these steps, be it identifying goal, be it creating a goal, be it evaluating that goal, you should take actions. Okay, at every step, taking actions is success. Okay, what does taking actions, bhaiya? Sitting into yourself, thinking, and staying focused, coming regularly to sessions like Disha and Takeover, asking questions and doubts to these, staying focused about your career. You have seen like Dora, right? You have seen Dramebaz Dora. You have seen, who are those fellows? Let me.
Copycat Madhav.
Copycat Madhav, Irregular Sham, Negligent Tom. You should not be like any four of them, right? You should be like focused Sahiti, right? See, you might have seen your friends, or you might be any one of those students, but you have to start changing. You have to start becoming focused Sahiti. But how can you become? We are here to help you, right? We as teachers are here to help you. Through this project Disha, we want to help you to set your goal, right? So you might not be clear about, bhaiya, I don't know what to become. Okay, so we are entering into the stage 2. Okay, now we taught about, you heard about different kinds of professions, right? You learned about how can you become a doctor, how can you become a software engineer, how can you become this, that, and all these things. So we are done with the first stage in Disha project. See, can you look at this? Yes, this is your roadmap in project Disha. Just hold on, it's loading. See, this is your roadmap. See, in project Disha, these are the 4 E's that you will be crossing. The first E is exposure, where we studied about different jobs, and we've listened from people and all, right? Yes. So the second one is evaluate, where we will be setting our goals, and where we will be getting to know about our own passion, right? Great. So these are the different things that we are going to do right now. Right now, we are in second stage. We are entering into a second stage. We are done with the first one. Yay! I want to give a round of applause to all of you. We are going to have a celebration also, because we finished our first stage in project Disha, exposure. We will be having a celebration with all the parents and all the didis and our teachers. Okay, we'll be planning for that. So now we are in second stage, right, where we will be setting your goals, and we will understand more about from you. So we will be giving you a calls regularly from tomorrow to understand and to know better about you. For that, we need your help. Okay, for that, I request all of you to not to forget these things, and stay focused, and start sharing these sessions and this information to your friends, and also start telling to your parents about what has happened today. And do not leave this video call without filling this form. There is a feedback form. There is a feedback form in your chat box. I request all of you to fill that feedback form, come back and say, bhaiya, I am done, and then you can leave. Okay, I request all of you to click on that feedback form quickly. I'm waiting.